We made it, friends. Look, 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 look. It is done. So this is my first flip through Friday. It's a hashtag. I don't know. I saw some kids do that, and I hope that that's what that means. Anyway, so I finished the Whimsy Folio. I mean, is it finished? Who knows? I may go back over it as time progresses, but I want to show you what I did, and we'll flip through it, and then there might be a little announcement at the end. You'll have to stick through all of this to know. All right, here we go. So the first thing you'll notice is I put this piece of trim on here. It's got the right colors. It just felt colorful and it's sparkly. Who doesn't love sparkles? I did just kind of slap a little paper clip on here. It's a rose gold paper clip at least. But I did that just to keep the flap so that would hold down. There's our little bird. We got an owl in a little house just kind of hanging out over here. We've already seen the collage that we did together. We open it up, and I think we did this little section together. These I did off camera. I finished her. I think we did the background on camera, but I don't think I laid all of this out. So I put all these houses behind her. And this is actually a little flip, so you could journal in here. And it folds flat so that you can journal, and then you fold it back up. And then I actually just glued her down. I didn't make her a fancy tag or card or anything. I just really liked her being on this actual page. And I gave her some little wings. And let's pull these out just in case. So I made these off camera. They're little journaling cards. You can journal on the back. Oops. I forget. I've got you zoomed in it a little extra so that we can do this flip through Friday thing. So I tried to mainly use the kit. It's a digital printable kit that I printed. I tried to use that and then some of the smaller, simpler things that I had, like washi tape, some ribbons, staples. I did leave this part alone because I thought, I don't know, I think it'd be great for journaling. So I just left it alone. And then the back, I think we did this together, and I think I glued this on camera. I did add a little window and a birdhouse and a little bird over here. We've got our little astronaut lady and her space mouse dog. Mog, maybe it's a mousog, I don't know. Her little space window, which I made out of washi tape, and then these are printables. And she's a journaling card. And then I made these two little tags. This tag I took Stabilo Woody's pencils and I made little flowers. And this is the kit, and this is one of the kits. This is all the Whimsy Emporium kit 1, 2, and 3. I don't know which came from which. This tag actually has a little tuck spot in the back, and I put these two little strips of paper in here. What I really wanted to do is I wanted to maybe like take a book and cut out words and make little phrases, and I think that might be kind of a cute idea. And then this is just a regular tag. You could journal on the back, nothing too fancy. It's got a cute little bird on it. And I did this in Stabilo Woody pencil as well, the gold outline. So yeah, that's what we did. That's the flip through. That was super fast. I'm very proud of my little flip out, fold flat piece. I probably should put a little piece of washi tape here because I have a feeling this probably is going to need some reinforcement. But yeah, So I'm really proud. This is my first like full folio that I really did and decorated. There's washi tape on the back, which we've gone over. I did think about, you know, hey, maybe I could put a paper clip on here, like a larger one, and maybe, you know, put a charm on it and have like a little paper clip charm hanging off of it. That might be cute. So that's the Flip Through Friday for the Whimsy Folio. So sparkly. All right. And if you have made it all the way through, it was only a 5-minute video, y'all. I'm going to give you a sneak peek into what's coming up for October. This is going to be our October prompt. I know, you're all very surprised. I will give you another sneak peek. Are you ready? That's all I have. Stay tuned. There's going to be at least one video next week while I'm out. Remember, I'm traveling. I'm going to try to get at least, I'm going to try for 2 videos. If I can get all 3, I will. But if not, I'll just do Tuesday and Thursday. And I will hopefully have another video for you after I get back. And then, yeah. So don't forget all of that. This is the prompt for October, so get excited. It doesn't have to be scary. I'm not gonna make things too scary. This is about as scary as it's gonna get. All right, get excited.